Hello and welcome back. Do you see this? That's road salt. And dirt, of course, but spring is here, so no more salty roads it is. I get to clean everything that's over here, and the first thing will be summer tires. Now, I always try to clean the wheels before I put them away so that when I use them again in the next season, all I have to do is little here and there's. Salt be gone. My pressure washer just broke. Now I use graphite grease so that the studs don't get... Studs? No. These are bolts so that the bolts don't get seized. And that's the first done. Now, I am really annoyed with the pressure washer, but, well, things happen. Now, the first is done. I need to do all of the rest. I probably won't gonna bother you with that, but the next sequence should be happy clicks of the torque wrench. Did you like it in the previous video? They are Style 193 18-inch M rims. They have 8 J's in the front and 8.5 J's in the back. Now this is the summer setup that I really like. After the next thing, getting all the salt off from the body. The pressure washer actually did start to work again, so that's nice. So this is detailing level noob. After I've gotten most of the dirt off, I'll use a sponge just to get the sticky bits off. No scrubbing, just lightly go over them. After everything got a few light passes, I rinse the car again. Now here's something I haven't tried, to wash the engine bay. I've seen people do it, and as long as you don't directly put pressure on the electrical connections, it should be okay. And do remember to drive the car the same day so that everything evaporates. Let's try it. Now that's looking way cleaner. Now there is still some dirt here, but I don't want to overdo it in the first time. Just look at those rims. Do you think I need spacers? Or should I keep on rocking the stock stance? Maybe leave a comment down below. And this is where I get tedious with my car cleaning. You take some wet wax and a rag and you clean everything thoroughly. All the nooks and crannies. And the door sills need a good cleaning as well. The boot, I always get these pine needles here. And with that, the exterior should be done. Now, time for the interior, and getting these out brings a smile to my face because I know that summer's almost here. The boot one I use in summer as well, but I'd like to give them a quick clean before I put them away for the summer. Now with vacuuming I usually do two passes. First one, the initial one, where I get the really big stuff, and afterwards, when I've cleaned everything else, I do a quick second one. My phone battery died as I was filming, but while it was charging, I gave a quick wipe on the body panels, cleaned the windows, pumped up the tires, and this is how it looks in the end. It doesn't get any better than this, but it is a daily, and the harsh truth is that tomorrow you can start all over again. But for this moment, this is epic. Wow, it's cold today. Now, as you can see, the car is shining and that's epic. I did a whole lot of work. Anyway, there's one more thing I need to do today, and that's go and buy some coolant because I'm a bit low on it. And then the car will be summer ready. Now that I have filled the coolant up to its level, there is this thing I want to try. So apparently, if you put the key in, the ignition on, turn the heat to maximum, this to the first setting, and put your foot on the pedal for a few seconds, the pump should start. So I watched a video where if you put the ignition on, temperature to max, and hold the gas pedal for 10 seconds, it starts to electronically pump the coolant around. Well, I don't know why, but I didn't get to do it. Anyway, I did fill up the coolant. It took almost 1 liter in, and it should be okay, I guess. Well, let's see how the car came out. And wow, just look at it. The car came out so clean, just as it should be. On nice wheels, everything shiny and clean. It took me a whole day to clean it up, but it's worth every minute of it. Now I really do enjoy cleaning my car. One day, maybe I'll get into detailing, but that's a story for another time. I hope you liked this video. Please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And until next time, thank you and bye.